Let me get this down, and this is my introduction, and you know it's part of the Samuel production. Now I wreck it every day, cause I get paid, that renegade. Give a fuck, nigga, I do myself, and you know I can't stop getting all this wealth. According to the law, I'm the problem. All these pussy boys, nigga, I just fucking dodge them. Ballin' all these niggas like LeBron. Nigga, I'm Kobe. Y'all pussy niggas stop talking cause y'all officially don't know me. Y'all go and you know I never rehearse. And you know your bitch rockin' Louis Vuitton purse. Yeah, she fucking wreckin'. I don't give a fuck, never come second. I always come first and I go fucking berserk.
Poppin' Adderall, that's a pickup. Nigga, hold the fuck up, this is stick up. Go ahead, nigga, gon' give that brick up. Nigga, I took all of his killer. I know the game, you win some, you lose some. 4-5 on my hip, don't pull some. Real nigga ready for my situation. I'm riding around blowing loud, this is celebration. Gucci, Louis, Truly, all my shit designer. Bad bitch with me, call that bitch Rihanna. I don't give a fuck, man, fuck the ops. I've been coming down wrecking, playing Xbox. I stash my weed in that bitch where the hard drive. I've been coming round here, and this is our time. I don't give a fuck, chillin' at the trap spot. I don't give a fuck, nigga, fuck the ops.
Yeah, fuck the ops. Keep around the Glock in case any fuck nigga is approaching. And you pussy niggas ain't knowing. Huff, huff, I'm blowing. Blowing on some Doja, nigga, I don't do that bullshit. I don't give a fuck, nigga, ruthless. I'll kill you if you in my path. Come around here, nigga, you gonna feel my fucking wrath. Bitches be nosy, so I don't pay attention. And you know I was in that fucking detention. I got out, got paid in bail. I don't give a fuck better than jail. I serve that JJ currently like a Doja, a soldier. I don't give a fuck, nigga, don't know her. Yeah, that's all I got to say, niggas.